Hello everyone, this is Gardening and Grilling, part 3. Today is June 13th, 2022. I'm in northeastern Pennsylvania and giving you an update of the garden. These are the pumpkins. They're doing pretty good. They're crawling all over the place. Don't see any male flowers yet. Sorry, female flowers. Collard greens started late. They're doing pretty good. Sweet pea flowers. Basil. Slugs got to it. I don't know what that is, which is why you should label your seeds when you plant them. I'm hoping it's a poppy, but it's starting to look like a lettuce. Maybe a mustard green, but we'll see. Zinnias are popping. Nice orange color flowers, which I love. It's my favorite color of zinnia, orange. Got my blue buttons. Mexican sunflowers, doing pretty good. Whoa, look at my green beans. They're looking pretty good. There's some green beans in there. Mad Hatter pepper. Green pepper in the back. Some more peppers down there. There's a tomato plant that popped up by itself. Here go my eggplants. Armenian cucumbers at the back. They're doing pretty good. They're starting to crawl. Another tomato plant that just popped up out of nowhere. We'll keep him. We'll see how long he stays until someone steps on him. Parsley's looking good. Ooh, pak choy looks delicious. We're going to be making salad, soups, stir fries, and egg rolls with this. There's the oregano. Green onion grew back. I harvested maybe a month ago and it grew back. Armenian cucumber crawling. And some more oregano. Some more tomato plants that popped up by itself. Those are cherry tomatoes. Give you an overall overview of the garden. Everything's doing pretty well. Using a combination of Miragrow and blood meal fertilizer. I will probably fertilize again at the end of June. So like see, I got the grill covered up still. I'm going to make kabobs and maybe in a weekend, so stay tuned. Chicken kabobs.